Hey guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I do like almost an emo girl elfkin looking look using wigs and just some of the palettes that I have. If you want to see how I got this look, please go ahead and continue watching. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so the first part of this look will be the brows. I've already kind of color corrected and done some stuff, nothing that's important to this video. So you want to do like a straight brow. You can glue the ends of your brows. If they're light enough, just go for it. If you want, some people shave the ends of their brows. I'm not recommending that, but a lot of people do that so that they can do different style of brows. And I got my little mixture here, which is ABH and my gel, NYX gel, and I try to make it a little bit darker. So let's see how we can get this brow on. So here's my brow. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So it's not the straightest brow, but you see how it just kind of lifts and brings this whole area up. That's what I'm going for. It doesn't mean like it has to be straight across, unless you want it to be. Try to lighten up these little hairs that I have, the 3 that are there. All right, so, and that's the brow done. So I'm gonna do my base and my other brow, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I put on a little bit of my Fenty Cream Bronzer in Macchiato, and just the regular, how you would normally do it, or how I would normally do it. If you wanna see videos on that, I have them. And then next, I'm gonna go in with cream blush. So blush is a huge thing in this look, and I don't know, is it emo? To me, I always thought it was more like elfkin, but whatever. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Cream Blush and Petal Poppin', and I may go in with my Blush Bomb from Flower Beauty Nectar. I am so shiny, it's so hot. I'm happy though, at least we have sunshine since this year is a bitch. Just get this on. I'm gonna also do powder blush because it's a huge part of the look, which is why I kind of wanted to do it, because I'm such a blush girl. God, I love this color. If you could splurge on a cream blush, this color is just perfect. If you're my skin tone, obviously. I mean, I'm sure there's pictures of other skin tones, but I haven't looked. Really gonna go over this bridge of the nose. We have a little Gay from Naked Winery. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my medium peach from e.l.f. I promise you, if you haven't tried this yet, you're missing out. So I'm not really gonna let that set. I'm just gonna blend it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of my light peach, because I feel like it's all about like color across the bridge of the nose and the cheeks, and then kind of lighten to really kind of separate that there's a lot of color here. And I'm not gonna go down my nose because it's just gonna be like, whatever, you'll see. V-neck with a round tank top is quite tacky, but I'm hot and this was cool, so I put it on. It's too warm to try to worry about like how to look cute with an outfit. My taste sucks anyway, so whatever. Blend this out really quickly. No additional product, but I'm just gonna kind of buff my blush back into that concealer. Real high up on the cheekbones. There we go. So I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder. I just keep it in a little tub because it comes in like a big seasoning bottle. Since it is so warm, I mean, I guess it's not really different than what I'd normally do, but I'm gonna have to pack a lot on, so then I'll have to go in with powder products. But this added layer of cream products really does just help for longevity. I mean, I don't know. It's just so hot. Okay, so I am gonna be using some of the BoxyCharm products, and I'm gonna go in with this Ace Beauty contour palette with the broken mirror. Doesn't look like any glasses in there. I am gonna go in with these two shades here. They're a little mustardy. I really feel like you can do some fun like eye looks with it. And I'm pretty sweaty, so while putting this on, I'm just gonna press it in versus swipe so it doesn't get patchy. I'm gonna go in with the Neon Prism blush palette by Lunar Beauty, and I am gonna use Stargaze and Pink Moon. I feel too talktorial, like just fucking hate that. These are great blushes. Manny needs to come out with some bronzers. Okay, so I have two palettes that I am going to be working out from my BoxyCharm. I was gonna try to do one, then the other, and maybe later I will. I also have something fun planned coming up. I'll probably film on Monday. Today is Saturday. So I'm gonna use my little brow bar palette from BoxyCharm. So these are the colors here. And then I wanna dip into Manny's, a lot of Manny stuff. Manny's Morphe collab. And these are the colors here. I am gonna take this dust cloud all over the lid. It's just kind of like a beige, yellow tone, flesh tone for me. So these don't have names in this brow bar one, but I really am interested in this peachy color. It looks so, so, so pretty. So far, nothing's really showing up. I guess it's kind of there. Not as much as I want it to be, though. It's pretty. Takes some building up. So I'm gonna run a little bit under my under my lower lash line. Now that I've really built that color up, I do really like it. It just takes some building up. I'm gonna go in with Fire Witch from Manny's palette, which is also peachy but a little bit darker. So, like right there, really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I love that color. I'm gonna put that under my lower lash line. I don't know where to go from here, so I think what I'm gonna do is put on some liner. This Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, the Brow Gal brush is great. It's so sharp and it doesn't fray out whatsoever, so I really, really appreciate that. I'm gonna keep the liner on the outer edge because my eye is watering, so I don't know what's gonna become of that as of right now. So you kind of want a straight liner, which leaving the front part empty does kind of help with that. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. I feel like I'm so far away. I'll scoot closer, sorry. Okay, so both eyes are done, and I don't know if I wanna bring the peach in or not. So let me just pop on some lashes. I should have just came back with some lashes, so sorry. Be right back again. Okay, so my lashes are on. So let's go into Sophie right here and drag down that peach a little bit just to give it a little bit more smoke because I love more smoke. I'm really enjoying this Morphe and Manny palette. So just taking my little fluffy blender brush, I'm just gonna smooth that out at the bottom. And yes, I'm using my same AliExpress lashes. You just can't stop me. I can't say it enough. This Salon Perfect by Queen Mink Lashes is amazing. It reminds me of back in the day when I used to just use wig glue. Works great. Going back in just for some like finishing touches, let's just bring this in down low towards the eyeliner, but I just want to leave a little bit of brightness. I have really hooded eyes and I just want to kind of give the allure of something different, just a little bit of pop in there. I'm gonna use Nova, the highlighter from, I dug my nail in it, from Manny's palette for the inner corner of the eye. Let's check this out. Look at that. Pretty. Holy shit, that's pretty. I just put it on top of those colors. I like that. I'm gonna use this little baby brush from Morphe and do a little bit of a highlight on my brow bone. And then really highlight right here. I got that crooked, oh well. And then let's highlight our Cupid's bow. So this is where we're at so far, and I'm gonna line my lips and then try to create like a lip color. Okay, so bear with me. I have MAC matte lipstick in the color Candy Yum Yum. This is the color here. So let's put it on. Okay, so this is the lip color, but I can't get the final like idea of what's really going on until I add one more thing, so I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and now that I have the wig on, I feel like, you know what? This is the final look. Like, I love this. This wig goes down to the middle of my back, and it was only $15 or so on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But I love, love, love this look here that I created with this wig. It's so much fun. Do I look emo or elfkin, or do I just look flat out skanky? I don't know, to be honest. And you can even like create fun little like space buns with this wig or do whatever. I haven't played around with it a whole lot, but I love this look. I feel just, I don't know, like all this hair, I don't know. I love it. Love, love, love it. Anyhow, you guys, thank you for sticking with me throughout this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. Looks you want to see. What you think about this look. Do you like having fun with wigs and playing around and just getting out of your comfort zone? Let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.